Hello, welcome to iAnyGo. This is the pure step-by-step guide to fix Pokemon Go failed to detect location 12 error, which has occurred when you use location changer. For Android users, iAnyGo Android app provide the game mode which can fix this error. For iPhone users, we are going to use PoGo wizard produced by our partner PoGo Skill. Without further ado, let's start. For all iAnyGo registered users, first step, join our Discord and contact the support team, and you will get email containing the key of PoGo Wizard. After installing PoGo Wizard, log in your Apple ID. Apple ID here doesn't have to be same as Apple ID login on your iPhone. Then, click Install. Now you can see PoGo Wizard installed a new modified version of Pokemon Go to your iPhone. Then, go to the Settings and General. Go to VPN and Device Management. Tap on your Apple ID and verify Pokemon Go. Now, you can use iAnyGo location changer on this Pokemon Go, and you won't get error 12. Launch iAnyGo on PC. Choose Change Location function. Click Next. Search the address, or click on the map. Click Start Modify. Let's use Joystick to move in Pokemon Go. Choose Joystick function, and set the reasonable speed. I recommend don't be faster than 3 meters per second. Now, drag the joystick to move. Let's try iAnyGo, and don't miss out PoGo Fest 2024 New York. Okay, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.